220 miles east of Cape Cod lies the wreck of the Scorpion, a ghost of the Cold War, lost to the crushing depths.
Helm, steady on course 290. Maintain silent running.
Con, sonar reports transient noise, bearing 045.
Aft, keep it quiet back there. The anomaly is shifting east. We need to adjust the trajectory immediately.
Rerouting now, but the weather window is closing fast.
Command, proceeding to secondary depth. Get me a status update on the forward deck immediately.
Copy that, Command. Visibility is dropping, waves at 15 meters.
Maintain course.
We're seeing a slight deviation here on the stabilizer data.
Yes, but the auxiliary screen shows the resonance frequency remains stable. The system is compensating.
Chamber pressure holding steady at 300 feet.
Roger that. Bell is secured for launch.
ROV systems fully initialized, ready for deployment.
Projection shows a stable high-pressure zone for the next 48 hours. We have our window.
Confirmed.
The sea state remains below 1 meter.
Noted for the record. rate is too high. We're exceeding tolerances.
We have breached the surface. All systems stabilizing.
The plume is spreading faster than anticipated.
Levels are spiking near the eastern barrier. We need to extend the containment.
Control, we have major propagation at segment 4B. The cracks are spreading faster than anticipated. We need immediate shutdown.
Levels are stable here.
Copy that. We're making progress on the main spill.
Watch your step near the conduit.
The data stream looks good, but I'm seeing some anomalies here.
Let the drone get a closer look at that weld joint.
Section 3, report status.
All hands accounted for at this station.
Lifeboats are inspected and ready for launch.
It's more than just pipes and pumps. It's about ensuring that the water gets to every home safely. We take a lot of pride in that.
Eve on 2, slack on 4.
Lines are secure, Cap. All forward tension set.
This northern route keeps us clear of the system entirely.
Agreed. The convoy should maintain current speed.
We have a red alert on the starboard coupling.
Confirmed. Strain is increasing. Reducing throttle to compensate.
Maintain tension on the taglines. We are clear of level 4.
Roger that. Control. Holding steady.
The new hydrophone is in place.
Confirmed. We are cleared to proceed with the specified torque sequence from the annex.
These belong to Captain Rahman. We must ensure they are preserved exactly as found. Case number 103.
The transformation you see here is the result of dedication, precision, and skill passed down through generations.
This is where our journey began. They built this with their own hands, you know? Abuelo would be so proud to see her now.
Good evening and welcome to the Nautilus. Please watch your step as you cross the brow. We are now entering the forward torpedo room.
Every river's a story of the deep. You must step carefully. She is a museum piece now.